welcome back to my channel. Today it's going to be a skincare cum hair care video. So this is my top 11 suggestions which I have purchased recently and I have liked it. I have used couple of times, and there are certain products that are Ayurvedic as in herbal, and there are certain products that are non-herbal. So I'm going to show a mixture of both. So let's get into the video. First, I'm going to show you all the skincare products that I've been using since couple of days. So the first product that I'm going to show you today is from the brand Want. This is a vitamin C serum. So this is how it looks. So this comes with a dropper, and this has a very thin structure to it. So this slides onto the skin very easily. I have just used this I think once, so I have not used this more than once, so I can't exactly tell you how this product exactly works on the skin. However, if you want a review on this, please do put in the comments so that I can review this product and I can share my suggestions to you all. I'm just going to apply this on my skin to show you guys how thin the consistency is. So this is how it is. This is very smooth. Exactly applies like a water onto the skin. So this is how it is. So next comes this L'Oreal Revitalift serum. This is a hyaluronic acid serum. This is also thin in terms of consistency, but I've used this in AM and PM routine both. When you actually use this serum onto your damp face and then follow this ritual by your moisturizer, this gives you instant glow and smoothness to your skin. So my skin, it makes my skin very smooth and supple. I love this product. So if I have to swatch this for you, so this is how the consistency looks. So you will have to apply it onto your skin and just leave it for like a couple of minutes and let it soak completely onto your skin. So you actually can see the shine that it gives you on the skin. Next comes a simple makeup remover. So I've just purchased this. I've used it a couple of times, like maybe 3 to 4 times. This removes your makeup very nicely. So this is how it looks. This is a sample pack. You actually get it in 30 ml and 50 ml also, I believe. So I think I've purchased this in Nykaa during the sale, and this came for like 99 rupees or something. So this comes with a pump like this, so you can just remove. Next is this Herb Day 365 Master Blending from the brand Face Shop. This is a face wash. I have used this face wash. You actually can see I have used almost 30% of this tube. This comes with this is actually a tube basically. So you just have to take a little bit of the face wash. This is creamy in terms of consistency. Just take a little bit and apply it on the face and wash it off. This makes your skin a little brighter, as well as it gives you a fresh look. So I really love this face wash. This has a lot of other variants also to it, but I use peach and fig variant. So this is how it looks. Next is from the brand Sesha Ayurveda. I have actually seen a lot of vloggers raving on this product. I love this Kasturi Manjal from Sesha Ayurveda. This is a powder. This actually comes like this, and when you remove the cap, this is how it looks. So this is basically a powder which includes turmeric in it, which is anti-inflammatory for your skin. You just have to apply this with curd, honey or water, any of these. I use it with yogurt for a better result. So I use this powder with yogurt and then apply it onto my face for like 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. This brightens your skin instantly, and just in case if you have to go for any function or a party, use this a day before and then you will see best results the next day. Next brand is Tribe Concepts. This is Brightening Daily Cleanser. This is how it looks. So this comes with a tin. If just in case if you do not want a tin, it also comes with a sachet, so you can use any of those while you're actually ordering it. So this is a powdery Ayurvedic kind of a face wash. So this has a lot of good ingredients to it. This has sandalwood, rose petals, turmeric roots, manjishta, etc. So this is a very good product. I have always used this as a face wash, never used it as a face pack. So this actually acts as a exfoliant basically. So this is a kind of physical exfoliant. So you just have to take a little bit of the product and then apply it onto your damp skin and wash it off immediately. So this gives your face an instant glow, and I love this product. So we are done with all the skincare. Now let's go to the hair care. The first hair care product that I'm going to show you today is from the brand Juicy Chemistry. This is how it looks. So this is chili, horsetail and black seed hair oil. This comes with a pump like this, so it is easy to apply to your hair. All you have to do is take few pumps onto your palm and then rub it and apply it on your scalp. I've never used this hair oil to my roots. All I did is apply it on my scalp, leave it overnight and then shampoo it the next day. So this helps your roots strengthen, and at the same time I have actually observed my hair fall also getting reduced. You will also see good results if you keep applying this hair oil continuously, or you can actually use this hair oil 4 times or 3 times a week, and you can wash it off the next day. You can apply this oil for at least 3 to 4 months and you can see visible results. The next hair care product that I'm going to show you today is from the brand Tribe Concepts. This is their root strengthening and conditioning hair mask. This is how it looks. So this is how the mask looks. So all you have to do is take a little bit of the product, mix it with water or yogurt and then apply it onto your hair, leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it off with hair cleanser from Tribe Concepts to give you better results. So all I have observed with this product after using it was it left my hair fresh, and if you keep using it couple of times, there is a chance that you might also observe reduce in your hair fall. So I have not used this product much of time to give you a appropriate review on this. However, if you want a review on this, please do let me know in the comment section so that I can do it for you guys. This has neem, bringraj, licorice and fenugreek with amla in this. So this is a homemade product, so you can try using this if you ever want to. Next product that I'm going to show you today is from the brand Brillare. This is the Root Deep Hydro Oil. This is oil shot basically. All you have to do is apply 5 ml onto your scalp, leave it overnight and wash it the next day. So you will have to apply this hair oil every alternate day onto your scalp. So you will have to repeat this procedure for 20 days and you can clearly see the results. So this reduces your hair fall instantly. I have actually used this for 3 nights till now. So you can actually see what is the amount of product that I've actually used. So I have used this for 3 nights and I have seen that my hair fall has completely stopped, and whenever I usually wash my hair, I see a lot of hair fall in the washroom, and at the same time whenever I used to put a comb onto my hair, I see a lot of hair falling. So after using this hair oil, I've seen visible results. and I'm very sure that if I complete this bottle, my hair is going to be better. I have severe hair fall post pregnancy, so I am expecting that this is going to work miracles onto my hair, because I have actually started seeing results. So this is, if at all you are looking for a hair oil and a shampoo, I would suggest use Brulair. This is the best product I have seen till date. Next product that I'm going to show you is from the brand Brulair again. This is their shampoo. So once you use the hair oil, which is hydro oil, followed by this shampoo the next day, you don't need to take a lot of product. All you have to do is just take one pump of this product onto each side of your hair and you are sorted. The next product that I'm going to show you is from the brand L'Oreal. This is their Extraordinary Serum. This is how it looks. This comes with a pump. So all you have to do is just apply 2 to 3 pumps of the serum onto your edges of your hair. Do not let it touch your scalp, because there might be a chance of hair fall. So do not let the serum touch your scalp. All you have to do is just apply 2 to 3 pumps of the serum onto your palms, and then apply it onto your palms, apply it onto your roots, like this, and leave it off. And if you have frizzy hair, this is the best serum to go to. So this is how the serum works. So whenever you do shampoo, apply the serum and you are sorted for the day. So that's all for today. If you like this video, do hit that like button. Also, don't forget to comment and subscribe. And if you have been watching my videos and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and show all the love. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.